Okay, so we got our fresh corn on the cob there that we're gonna make. And we went ahead and sliced up our green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, yellow pepper. And then we're gonna slice up a yellow onion. I was gonna do stuffed red snappers, but the head was cut off. So just slice slits on both sides of your fish. The slits that we inserted into the fish is to make sure all of this delicious seasoning get inside of the fish. You don't want to put too deep of cuts. And we place this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until you get it crispy. And baby, look at these red snappers. Oh yes. Check the description box for the seasoning mix ingredients.
My fish red snapper broke up coming out the oven, but oh, look at the cabbage and kale with veggies and ooh, corn on the cob and all that deliciousness. Oh yes. Thank you so much for watching. Later.